The first vice president, Dr. Machar, married off his daughter, married to William Deng with 45 cows as a dowry in a customary marriage in Juba on Sunday. The spokesperson in the office of the vice president, Pogbos, described the marriage as a symbolic message to the South Sudanese for cultural commitment. Both state that Machar insisted on 11 cows based on customary law, but the family later settled on 45. This was after Machar's son-in-law offered to give 500 cows as a dowry. The son-in-law of first Vice President William Deng, aka Wildy, proposed and engaged to the daughter of the first Vice President, Riek Machar, last week in Juba. It was a normal traditional process that already took place regarding that occasion. Our in-law proposed to Riek Machar and yesterday or Sunday start the dowry negotiations, say both. Machar suggested 11 cows according to an old gentleman's agreement for the dowry, but in the end, they have been discussed with the family and reached 45 cows only. Initially, Dr. Riek Machar and his wife Angelina Teng only asked for 11 cows for the dowry per the initial customary laws. According to Machar's aide, the argument is that raising or inflating dowries for marriage, as is currently happening in some communities in South Sudan, will make it extremely difficult for young people, including graduates, to get married and establish their respective families. William Deng is from Warab State, while Mary is from Unity State.